Little storyteller.
Rexy the Tyrannosaurus Rex loved sunshine and bright flowers. He lived in a lush green jungle with tall ferns and colorful vines. Rexy wanted his own little patch of neatness in all that wild green. He dreamt of rows of blooming buds and smooth, clear ground. Rexy looked at his big, strong claws. These could be great rakes, he thought happily. He bent down and tried to gently sweep some fallen leaves. Whoosh! His giant claw dug deep into the earth, making a big pile of dirt and uprooting a small fern. Oops! Rexy had re-landscaped again. A little blue butterfly fluttered away in surprise. Next, Rexy tried using just one big claw, very, very carefully, like a tiny shovel. He wanted to move a bright red flower to his garden spot. Slowly, slowly, crunch. He had accidentally squished the stem. The flower drooped sadly. A fluffy yellow chick nearby cheeped with concern. Rexy sighed. Gardening was harder than it looked. Just then, a little green lizard with bright orange spots scurried by, carrying a small twig. Then came a busy beetle, rolling a tiny ball of leaves. Rexy watched them. They were working together. Rexy had an idea. He gently pushed a big pile of leaves with his snout towards a group of small, stripy caterpillars munching on a giant leaf. The caterpillars wriggled with delight and started pulling the leaves away, making the ground underneath clearer. Then Rexy carefully used his big tail to sweep away some pebbles from his garden spot. A family of small brown field mice scurried over and started gathering the pebbles to build a little wall around Rexy's garden. They chittered happily as they worked together. Soon Rexy's garden spot was neat and tidy. The fluffy bunny brought soft moss for the ground. The little blue butterfly landed on a new pink flower, and the yellow chick chirped with delight. Rexy might not have been the best at raking, but he was a great helper. Working together made gardening fun and easy for everyone. And Rexy learned that even though he was big, his friends had their own special ways of helping too.
Please subscribe. Thank you.